What is a C test? C test is a type of language proficiency that's the measure how well someone knows English through the completions. In a C test, some part or words in the text are deleted, and the tester must complete the missing part correctly. The C test is an integrative testing instrument that measures overall language competence very much like the GLUES test. It consists of 4 to 6 short, preferably authentic text in the target language to which the rule of two has been applied, like the second half of every second word has been deleted, beginning with the second word of the second sentence. The first and last sentence are left intact. For example, the student fills in the missing if a word has on an at number of letters. The bigger part of is omitted. X proud becomes PR blah blah blah. On letter words such as I are ignored in the counting. The student task is to resort the missing part. In typically C tests, there are 100 gaps. That is missing part. On entirely correct, the restorations are a chapter part. Example: I ask blah 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 to Lee blah 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 in T city. B strip I that's strip moving. He strip would be strip a Al lit strip more relay strip. So it will be the answer is I used to live in the city, but I decide to moving here would be little more relaxing. Sita's advantages. As students are comforted with a variety of short passengers, a better sampling of the content areas is possible. Also, a person with special knowledge in the certain field does not have an unfair advantage. And two, by demanding very second word, we can obtain a more representative sample of all the different language elements in the text. And three, many more items can be included in much shorter text, making the task less time consuming for the student. In the text one, feeding pigeons in the big city is something problem in some place. People are not allowed to feed them. When pigeons get too much food, they become a nui strip for the city. They make the ground their strip and damage old wheel strip. In London, people wear souk strip to feed the pigeons in Trafalgar Square. But now it is ill strip. The city put up sick strip to tell the people not to give food to the birds. If someone is a cow's strip feeding them, they can get a F strip. City co-workers also strip the area every day to keep it strip. In the text too, there are many simple ways to save energy strip at home. For exact strip, you can to turn the light when you leave a room. You should to also an up strip device when they are not in a strip using LED. Lights can reduce strip. Electronic consume strip. And save mon strip. Another good idea is to use energy if science appliances that work well but use less power in wind strip. Close door and windows to stay warm. And in some strip, open them to let in fresh air, sunlight. This small action can help protect the environment and lower your bills. So we have to move into scoring guide. So in criterion is correct full word restored. Words spelled completely and correctly have a score 1 point, but for partial word or half correct, only part of the missing segment complete correctly have a 0.5 point. But for blank the answer, it will be half word missing or incorrect spelling, it's 0 point. So each text contains 10 blanks, total of the 20 points for both texts. The final score, students' total score, is division 20, and for the multiplication is 100. Justification. The two texts were selected that represents different everyday context, urban life, feeding pigeons, and environmental responsibility, saving energy, both contain medium level vocabulary and family grammar. So the structure, sweet table for the intermediate learners. The missing word task, compressing of meaning through context and vocabulary recall. The SEED test evaluates students' overall language proficiency by measuring their ability to use context clues to complete the missing word. This integrates reading comprehensions, grammar awareness, and vocabulary knowledge in one concise. And this one is about the answer key about the text 1 and text 2. They compare it to the other methods better than closed tests, more semantic every second word truncated, more efficiency than multiple choice requires reproductions, not recogniting. More particle than easy, no subject scoring needed. This one is about the validity table. This is a lot of the student names is have a 30 names. So it's for the total of the all the students is 49 each. And for the average value for the student is 60,6 strip 20 equals 38% for the category upper intermediate.